morning, class. How is everybody doing?
Good.
How was your weekend?
Good.
Awesome. Okay, so for today's lesson, I have a few questions before we start. Who has gone to the store with mom and dad? Raise up your hands, please. Yes, Lorenita?
I have gone.
Where to?
Walmart.
Walmart. Awesome. And what are some things that you usually ask for them to buy you?
Toys.
Toys. What else? Priscilla?
Candy.
Candy. Awesome. Okay. So when you get to the cashiers, what do they usually pay with? Do you see when they pay? Like, what do they usually pay with?
Money.
Money. Great job. So here's a picture of the store. And we usually grab our shopping cart first, right? And then our groceries, if we go for the groceries, and then the cashier. And you're right, money. We pay with money. Today we'll be learning about different types of money. And it's right here. We have them right here so that everybody can see. We have a penny, this right here. We have a dime, a nickel, and a quarter. Okay? Can you see that?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. So now, a penny. A penny is worth 1 cent. And a dime is worth 10 cents. A nickel, 5 cents, and a quarter, 25 cents. Now we also have a dollar. Then let me talk about the symbols. I'm going to write it right here. Symbols for cent looks like this. It's a little C with one line in the middle. Any questions so far?
No.
Okay. Now for dollar, it's a S with 2 parallel lines in the middle. Okay? Okay. Any questions?
No.
Today we're going to have tons of fun. We're going to have centers. Before starting with the centers, we're going to watch a little video. It's a song.
A dime, small and thin. Dime, it's always worth 10. Quarter, big and full. It's worth 25, so I'm told. Money.
Okay, so now for center number 1, listen closely. We're gonna have poster-sized coins, just like the ones I have on the board. And you're gonna have these on your desk, okay? You see them?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So I'm gonna talk to you about them. Do you see this one right here?
Yes.
This is the quarter, which it is 25 cents. Now, look closely. What president is this right here? George Washington. George Washington. Look at it. And the color is silver, right?
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay. Good job. So that's for the first center. We're going to have these poster-sized coins. And we're going to look at each of the details that they have. For example, Lorenita mentioned earlier that Abraham Lincoln did not have his hat on, right?
Mm-hmm.
And the color of the coin is copper. You're going to describe the color, the president, and any other detail that you see, okay? Like, for example, this one has a date. It has liberty. And in God we trust, okay? You're going to write everything that you see on the coin, on each of them, okay? And if possible, you're also going to draw a picture. Now for group number 2, table number 2, we're going to have a Ziploc bag with some coins in them. And no, they're not for you to keep, but we're going to work as a team to sort each of the coins into the correct place, okay? For example, I have a penny. Let me see, let me get a coin out. I'll get this one. Quarter, this is a quarter. In which of these will it belong to? A penny that is worth 1 cent?
No.
A nickel that is 5 cents?
No.
A dime?
No.
Or a quarter?
Yeah, and that one.
Good job. Now, depending on the Ziploc, the coins that you have, you're going to be sorting them out. At the end of each of the lines, you're going to put, I have, for example, 10 pennies. The value of them is, what was it, boys and girls?
10.
1.
1 cent. For the third center, we're going to add up coins that equal to either a nickel, a dime, a quarter, or a dollar. And the way we do this, boys and girls, let me teach you how first. For example, 5 pennies, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pennies. 1 penny equals what, boys and girls?
1.
1 cent.
1 cent. Right here, how many did we count?
5.
5 cents. What out of the quarter, dime, and nickel equals 5 cents, boys and girls? A nickel, right? A nickel. Great job. So we're going to do that. I'm going to provide you with a sheet of construction paper, and you're going to put you're going to draw in the amount of coins that equal to a nickel, dime, quarter, or a dollar, okay? It doesn't necessarily have to be this order. You can come out with whatever order you like. And I'm going to leave it right here so you can see. For the fourth center, we're going to act out that we're going to the store with our friends. And we have 2 cashiers and 2 customers, okay? And in my store is called the Mini Mart. And in my store, I have crayons, 2 books, chalks, a stitch, magazines, and collection of cards, okay? So what we're going to do for the cashiers, listen very carefully, boys and girls. The cashiers are going to make the total that the customers, whatever the customers get, whatever objects they get, they're going to make the total for them. Now, the customers are going to have 1 Ziploc with an amount of money, okay? And it's your job to decide what will you purchase it in. For example, let's count how much money I have on this Ziploc bag. 25. We're going to count it all together. $25 and 25 is 50. 30 with 5 and another 5.
40.
40. And another 5?
45.
45.
45. And 10?
55.
55. Oh, what can I afford with 55 cents from the store, from the mini mart?
A book.
A book. Very good. Which book? Can I afford the 75-cent book?
No.
No, right? The 50-cent book?
Yes.
Great job. So I'm going to purchase the 50-cent book. Now, listen closely. You said 55, that's my change?
Mm-hmm.
And the book is worth 50 cents. So the job of the cashier is to come out with the total and see how much they have and subtract it or add it, okay? Okay. Any questions so far?
No.
Okay. Can't wait to start. Thank you, boys and girls.